So we received yet another question. Hey Michael, can you explain the interchange plus pricing model for credit cards? Interchange plus pricing is a transparent model for credit card processing fees. It consists of two basic components. So the interchange fee. These fees are set by the card network, so this could be Visa or MasterCard. And the interchange fee is paid out to the cardholder's bank, so the issuing bank. The interchange fee vary based on different factors, so this could be the type of the card. Is it a debit card? Is it a credit card? Could be the industry of the merchant. Could be based on, is it a corporate card or is it a consumer card? You will be able to find the fees if you go online. So if you just go to Google and you search for Visa interchange fee, you will find the fees online. So the last component is the markup. So that's the plus in the interchange plus. This refers to the markup. So this is the additional fee charged by the acquiring bank or payment processor. This is the funds that the acquiring bank use, of course, to pay their salaries, pay their rent, but it's also the buffer they have in case of a merchant going bankrupt or if they receive a lot of chargebacks from consumers. One of the advantages of the interchange plus pricing is that it's transparent for the merchant to see what they're paying and what is the markup. The pricing models before was often made as blended prices. So if you have a blended price model, you would have an agreement with the acquirer where it says for national payment cards for debit, you would pay 0.8%. For national payment cards credit, you would pay 1.2%. For corporate cards, you would pay 2.5%. And once you start looking at the interchange fees that you will find online, you would see that then the acquirer would make money on the credit cards. They would lose money on the corporate cards. So the interchange plus model is the way of making it transparent where you pay the actual fees.